Unless you've been living under a rock, you've likely heard of CBD in some way or another, or you might already be taking CBD. One of the most common questions we get is, how is CBD made? Where does it come from? And what's the process like? There are many ways that CBD is made, and this video details some of those ways to answer your questions. Before we dive in, we want you to get your hands on some free resources. You can download them in the links below to find out more information about the many health benefits that CBD has to offer. Cannabis plants have many different varieties. Some are hemp, and these are usually high in CBD and virtually zero THC. Others are marijuana and may go by all kinds of different names like Jack Herer, Ripley's OG, Gorilla Glue, or Banana Split. Usually they are high in THC, but for the sake of medicine, things are changing and they may have high CBD and THC, or they may be just like hemp with extremely low THC and high CBD. Once the plant is grown and ready for processing, it can be treated in a couple of different ways. The valuable compounds must be extracted from the plant. This can be done by distillation, either in alcohol or with steam, with solvents like propane or butane, by supercritical CO2 extraction, or even very simply at home. Winterization is another step after extraction that uses ethanol and sub-zero temperatures to separate unwanted fats and waxes from the oil. Whenever you are purchasing a CBD product, find out the source. It is always best to purchase medicinal quality hemp if you are not purchasing from a dispensary. Here in Canada, there are strict regulations about how the products are prepared, and solvents like alcohol, propane, and butane are not allowed. Do a bit of homework on the products you are considering to make sure they are contributing to your health, not undermining. Before you click out of this video, don't forget to download those free resources available down below and check out some of our other videos to find out more about the wonderful world of CBD. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, leave me a comment, like this video, and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next video.